What's up, Dash Brothers? You're watching YouTube, and today we have the Big Rod Challenge. So one of our subscribers saw our tiny rod challenge and they said we should do a big rod challenge. So we have a 9-foot rod and a 10-foot rod, and we're gonna see if we can catch a fish on it.
We could catch catfish. One time I caught a big catfish there. We could catch bluegill. We could catch bass, giant bluegill, little tiny bluegill, minnows, anything.
Let's see if we can get this big rod challenge done.
And it's going to be so fun. This is just us going there first. And then when we're there, we'll start fishing.
How about we go to little fish and then bigger, and until the big catfish.
All right.
This is just the start. We're going there right now. Yeah, that's where we're going, Jason Pond.
Yep, Jason's Pond.
It's our new king. These
It feels warm.
one of these color things. I don't know what
Feel
these are called.
it.
Well, they're crazy.
Feel it.
Break a piece. Good.
All right, hold the rod.
I have a giant rod and a piece of bait.
Candy challenge.
Yeah. I can't believe this rod is this huge. I'm gonna try over here. I did. I just had one.
Good. Right after it, right?
This is the time, I think.
Here, bro. This is the time, I think. Me too.
Right here.
Stop playing. Here we go.
They're giant. They're giant. Something giant out here. Oh, this is the time, Dad.
Go.
Whoa.
And if they're not giving that candy a go, let's switch to bread. And...
Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
I know.
Someone just ate. Someone made it right there, I know. Dude, it seems like a shark rod. Where's my circle hook? Oh.
Show us. Are you hiding that hook in there? Okay, all right. Big rod challenge. Let's go.
Piece of bread on. Something could eat it.
Some just hit right there pretty good.
I know that.
Oh, yeah, they're ready now.
I'm ready
They're
for
getting
this.
in there. I think this is it, bro.
Oh!
Let's go.
I got one. Oh, nice.
11-foot rod.
Oh, jeez, that's crazy.
Good job, Dad.
Nice, Ash. There we go. What you gonna do, Ash?
Still bread.
I have one of my littlest rods. See if I could catch a fish on this. It's the tiniest rod. The whole life world.
I want to go to the vlog.
Calm.
Boy.
Oh.
Yeah, watch those spikes, bro. There you go. Push it down.
Oh, Dad just had him on the little rod.
Stick with it, Ash. You got it, buddy. Push that thing down out the hole.
Got him on the mini rod.
Nice, Dax. Yep, from there, now you can push it down. Hold it in that spot and push down. That way it goes right back out the hole it came from. There you go. There you go.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh.
He flew.